to you is presentation over the fly choice.
It really is the most important thing, honestly, especially on a stream like this of today. There's not any particular hatch. I mean, the fly we're fishing doesn't imitate anything really that they eat. It looks like a bug. But if you don't get it presented to them so that it floats like a bug, that's all they do. This is what these fish do. People say, well, how smart can they be?
Right.
Well, they're not asked to figure out quantum physics or do algebra.
No.
All they do is watch how fast food comes by them.
And if it looks natural or not.
Looks
and that's
natural,
your
they're
presentation.
gonna take it.
That's
Exactly.
your presentation. Now, if you're doing all your presentation, you feel your presentation is correct, and you're still not taking fish, that's the time to change your fly.
Yep. Change your flies. If you go through a few flies, you're getting a good presentation. You know, move a little bit. You may be getting a little micro drag that you're not able to see.
Absolutely.
And if that doesn't work, then move to another spot. Sometimes you get to a fish and he just doesn't want to eat. Maybe he's been stressed by something.
Cold front
before
could be
we got
anything,
there. Yeah,
Could be
whatever.
anything, yeah. So that's it. Presentation, much more important than the fly selection.
Oh, right there.
Yeah. Oh, good fish too.
Yeah, nice one.
Get him out of, oh,
Nice
yeah.
one.
Woo-wee. First cast.
Well done.
First cast, he grabbed the nymph, the copper john that we have, and it looks like another rainbow trout.
That might be the biggest one yet.
Yeah. Well, this is a
really nice
good fish.
He's got himself wrapped up here,
Yep.
which makes it
Oh,
a little easier to get him in. Yeah, that's definitely the nicest one so far.
oh my goodness.
Good job.
That is a good fish in anybody's mind. That is a really nice fish in anybody's mind. Beautiful, beautiful.